Hello everyone, welcome back to Amazing Tips for You. Today's video is on how to clean up a stovetop. I'll be showing you the easiest way to clean up a stovetop. I usually spread aluminum foil on my stovetop to make my cleaning process easier. So I'll be showing you the whole process of cleaning up as well as lining the stovetop with aluminum foil. Lining up the stovetop with an aluminum foil makes the cleaning process much easier. As you can see, once I remove the aluminum foil, it doesn't look that messy. So let's start cleaning up, but before we do make sure to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified about all our new uploads. I'll take out the grates first and wash them separately. And then the aluminum foil, which is a lot messier. As you can see, there is very less amount of dirt left on the stovetop. Though it looks very small, it is quite difficult to remove these stains. So I'll sprinkle in some baking soda over the spilled food. And then squeeze in some lemon juice and some dishwashing liquid on top. Leave the mixture for 15 minutes, and this mixture makes it easier to remove tough stains. After 15 to 30 minutes, you'll notice that the dirt will be much easier to remove. Here I prefer using a cotton cloth to wipe away the dirt rather than a sponge. So now that everything is cleaned up, let's line the stovetop with aluminum foil. When you have a stove that is not a flat top, foods can spill down into the stove burners while cooking. The foods continue to burn each time you turn on the stove burner, so it is best to figure out a routine to make the cleanup process easier. A long-term solution to this problem is to line the stovetop burners with aluminum foil. When you do this, you're able to simply tear off the foil when food spills and place fresh aluminum foil back onto the burner. Cut the foil a few inches extra so that it doesn't go short when cut for the burners. Spread it evenly, keep one side straight so that the foil remains stiff and you'll be able to cut for the burners in the other portion with ease. Now we need to make holes for the burners. I'm using a round vessel to trace out how much we cut. This is the biggest burner that I have. The round vessel is equal to this burner size, but I'll be cutting out an inch extra so that the foil doesn't get burnt when you switch on the flame. If you like this video on how to clean a stovetop and line it with an aluminum foil. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You for more such useful tips. Take care. Bye bye.